Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Sunday 2 of January. Finally New Year, and I hope you guys have a blessed one out there. Now, there's something that people are not talking about that I'm going to talk about for the first time in the channel, and I'm pretty sure no one else on YouTube is talking about this pattern, and it's a food pattern kind of, and these are actually, if they work out, if it does play out, if it doesn't get abandoned, then we're gonna actually have um, Bitcoin to go to the upside, and this will be your real bottom right here, and you're gonna have your bottom right there. Now, this, yesterday on the Discord as well, I actually talked about the pattern. So I actually made a cheesy question. React to it like if you have ever eaten a sandwich. This question will make sense in tomorrow's Bitcoin update. So if you're not on the Discord, join us on the Discord. I do some updates that can be critical, which I don't do on YouTube, which I don't make the videos for. Maybe we can actually invalidate this pattern, and I'm gonna text on the Discord. Okay, guys, the pattern is abandoned right now. We're gonna go even way more down. Now, this is known as stick sandwich candlestick pattern, and I want to show you very quickly here how they look like. Now, this is bearish. When you see a green candle, a red candle in the middle, and a green candle, then that's bearish. But look what's bullish. When you see a bearish engulfing, you're gonna think that, oh, this is a red candle, and then this one, and then this likes a bearish engulfing candle. But these are three candlestick back to back with each other. You're going to see one red candle, the green in the middle, and then the red at the end. So basically, it's like a sandwich. It's like this is one bread, and then you have a green, like that rounded meat in the middle, or a chicken in the middle, and these two red are the bread in here. So basically, these are bullish. And what Bitcoin has made is a sandwich. Basically, look. This is actually screaming bullish. Look at that. So you have that red candle right here, you have the green candle in the middle right there, and then you have the red candle just like that. Now remember, nothing I say is financial advice, but this is just a research, my own research. So when you see this happening, when you see that playing out like this, it means the trend is going to continue to the upside in the next week, and you're going to push to the upside. Now, what I would say is, for us to say we're going to go down and fill the wick, we're going to go down, because this one doesn't play 100% all of the time. Remember that it's not a guarantee that prices are going to go up, but these are believed to be bullish patterns, but they could be abandoned as well. And what I will say is, when you're gonna lose on the weekly, when you're gonna close below this level, which is gonna be 46,715, because on the weekly closing, you always closed above 46,000. What is it? 47,415 or what? All right, 46,600, let's say. Okay, $46,600. You always closed above it. You came down, made a wick, pushed towards the upside. You came down again, made a wick, and then pushed to the upside. Again, you went down, made a wick, and it seems like if you close at the same level, now there is an instruction, and I'm going to tell you this one. All right, so let's see what it says. The market has a prevailing downtrend, and that is actually very true. We do know that Bitcoin has been in a downtrend for a little while now. That the first condition has been met, the market was in a downtrend. Look at that. All right, what's the second thing? A black candlestick appears on the first day. Now, in this case, it's going to be on the first week after the downtrend. All right, so I'm going to tell you the first one which appeared, what they mean by the first day. So this was the first one. Okay, that black means the red one. A white body that trades above the close or of the previous black body follows. A white body that trades above the close, right? So it trades above the close. You can see, okay, we trade above the close of this one. We went up from here. The white means the green, basically. So the black is the red, the white is the green here. From there, the third day is a black day with a close as same as the first day. All right. Now, what we want to see for Bitcoin is Bitcoin today goes down to 46,600. All right, and it closed at the same level as the first candle, and that's going to result into a perfect stick sandwich candlestick, and then from here it's going to go up. Now, basically, this is a very, very nice website for the patterns wizard. I just found it when I was researching online, because I'm about to make a course, a paid course, guys, which is going to come up by February. So you're going to learn a lot of this great stuff, amazing stuff on the course. Just stick to it. So basically, they say that from our research, the stick sandwich pattern confirms 37% of the time on average overall of the 4120 market. Okay, so what they say that for every $100 you risk on a trade with the stick sandwich pattern, you make $27.3 on average, which is nearly 27%. So if let's say Bitcoin does go 27% from here, that's gonna be like it's gonna take you all the way to $59,000. Okay, so expect Bitcoin to go to $59,000 if you actually find this successful, right? And that would be actually very, very amazing, really, really amazing. And it does make sense because to me on the weekly, I'm gonna tell you one thing, all right? You cannot ignore the fact that the bump and run is still in play. Look at that. The bump and run is perfectly being respected, okay? And people who are saying that this week is going to be filled, even I said that, okay? And even I said previously that, oh, this could be like a, you know even though it really seems like this is a bear flag. Do you see that? It does looks like a bear flag right there. But you cannot ignore candlestick reading, and technical analysis is not limited to only one thing. You're not just now, because let's do the math here, okay? This is only one bearish thing that I see. The only one bearish thing that I've seen, okay? That's the first thing. But there are two, three bullish things that I can tell you, and the more favor is to the bullish ones, okay? Yes, you also have a head and shoulders, okay? Within bullish, you're also bearish, but you haven't broken the neckline, so we're not going to count that. Unless we break the neckline, then we're going to talk about the head and shoulders. And at the moment, the head and shoulder didn't play out, okay? Even this bearish, the bear flag hasn't played out. The bullish sentiments have more power more than bearish sentiments, and the reason why is when you made the bump here, you made the run, and then you backtest, and you're just backtesting the bump and run. So basically, you're just testing the bump and run pattern right there, which is playing out perfectly. It's playing out really, really nicely at the moment, and it's being respected. Look at this line. You had one touch here, you had one touch here, you had another touch right there, one touch right here, another touch right here, and then you just continue respecting that trend line. And it seems to me like this is very, very solid, and next week you could actually seriously go to $59,000. What is the next thing that I actually wanted to say is, you see the April swing high and then this low right here. If I actually drop in the fib level, I'm going to show you where Bitcoin might be finding support right there. And Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, it is still almost not losing the 0.618, which is the golden ratio. Do you understand that? It's not losing the 0.618. Now, if you do lose the 0.618, and if you start losing that, 46,600 and close below 46,600 by next week, then in my opinion, after 14 days, you're going to actually have Bitcoin to come to $43,000 and also fill this week that you see right there. So at the moment, it's not clear what for us to say that this wick is gonna get filled, because based on the analysis, in my opinion, guys, maybe Bitcoin is gonna made a swerve and move to the upside, because now everyone is bearish, and a lot of altcoins are looking very, very bullish. Now on the daily, also look at this pattern. It's like you're forming a double bottom. First bottom right there, second bottom right there. You could just come a little bit down here, again find support, and then continue to the upside. So even on the daily, it seems like you're not really losing this level. Do you see that? You're not even losing that 46,133. Now let's say you start losing this yellow line for good. You lose it, backtest, you are potentially gonna go drop and fill that wick. But the good news is that the stick sandwich candlestick, man, it's hard to pronounce that, seems like it's making a very, very good deal to me. And I saw one person even on the Discord. Yeah, man, the Discord is amazing. People do share their charts as well. So don't remember the name, but the thing is, He said that potentially this could be a falling wedge like this. Do you see that? Just like that. And look at that. It is potentially a falling wedge if you actually connect the dots with the previous yellow line right there. And the apex could come in by 23 January. So you could potentially just move like this a little bit and then break out completely out from there, because this new trend line is actually very, very valid. And I'm going to show you this one. So if I stretch it just like that, okay, yes, that's actually very, very valid. That's really, really true. So you're going to have the apex by 24 January, and let's see what this one does. Maybe by 24 January, maybe move a little bit down, break out, or that could play out. The potential scenario of that stick sandwich can play out, and then from here break out, back test, and then continue to $59,000, because according to their research, it actually goes like 27% to the upside. But that's again not 100% confirmation that the prices are going to move to the upside, unless, in my opinion, you don't start to lose 45,000 or you close below 46,600 on the weekly as well. Then I think the bear sentiments are going to start winning once again. But to me, man, this the bump and run, you went down, move up, bump, run, and then you're gonna run to 100K, in my opinion. Charts never lie, guys. Don't start getting bearish anytime soon. We are still in a bull trend. We are still in a bull cycle, and in my opinion, 100K is gonna happen in 2022, but I don't know when. But I'm pretty sure that it's time for me to actually continue to remain bullish, and the bearish sentiments are not gonna play out because the charts keep changing every day, and all we have to do is analyze them. Finger crossed, no financial advices. Join the Discord, like this video if you enjoy and learned something new, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.